Hey, what's up, you YouTubers out there? King Hot Wheels with a small haul here. Just want to do a video on a couple of things I picked up today on this snowy blizzard weekend up here in Mass. Yeah, I got a couple of things. Star Wars. I got a Maisto AllStars and Greenlight Talladega nights. First, we got this beautiful orange 1957 Chevelle Bel Air. Kind of like one of those gases a little bit. There's no engine. Jacked up in the front. Nice piece. I think the tires might be plastic. I'm not sure. Or they could be rubber. Picked this up. Thought it was cool. It says, bailing you out since 1975. Crooktown Bail Bonds. Look at that, huh? That's a keeper. Next we have the Star Wars. I'm not really collecting these. My son is. He's got a bunch of them. I think I've got one. I got the Darth Maul one. But this one I picked up. It's a C-3PO gold drag bus and R2-D2. Kind of muddy, I think. Are they both like that? Here's the back. So that's that, Star Wars. Pretty cool. I mean, can't go wrong with a drag bus. And last, which I think is good, I can't find that other one, the Eleanor, Gone in 60 Seconds, but this is second best, is the Talladega Nights, the Ballad of Ricky Bobby. Ricky Bobby, number 62. I want to go fast. And this is the 1969 Chevrolet Chevelle with number 13, gold and black. There's his father's car, which he drove to get back on the racing. Pretty cool. Look back there. Some of the scenes. Pretty cool car. There you have it. Alright, that's it for now. See you all in the next video. Later.